Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Drednaw. If you must know by now, Drednaw is one of the few Pokemon that can Gigantamax. I always thought his Dynamax evolution was different, but turns out he is capable of taking on a powerful evolution of called Gigantamax. If you must know, Gigantamax Drednaw is a classic Gigantamax version transformation. Anyways, to draw him, you must always start with the eye and draw his nose is like a curvy spike. And let's see, he just draws up. Here's the nose. Next thing you do is that you gotta draw this part down here. There we go. Next up, you just gotta draw the under jaw. That round shape that connects the jaw together. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw the shell. Be sure to draw a long line. Draw this. There we go. There's his back leg. There we go. There's his tail. I mean his bottom side. There we go. That's his tail. You're supposed to add the spikes and a few detailing in the legs. And that's how you draw a Drednaw. If you find this video easy, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys later.